Logs record a history of events, actions, and errors that occur within a system or application. By continuously monitoring and analyzing logs, we can identify early warning signs or patterns that may indicate potential issues. Logs also offer detailed insights into the internal workings of a system. When an issue arises, analyzing the logs can help us pinpoint the root cause of the problem. This information is invaluable in understanding the context of the problem and guiding the process of finding a solution. In this demo, we ingest different files into different components of a few applications AIOps is monitoring. We start to see stories being created with different log anomaly alerts in ChatOps. The first alert is from a component of SockShop application. Here we use our entity extraction to understand that the number 500 was an HTTP 500 status code, and the alert was detected out by our real-time statistical model, as the actual count of the 500 error is very different from what we would expect. We can also see the corresponding logs containing such 500 errors. The second alert indicates issues also from SockShop application. So this seems similar to the last one, but in addition to error codes, our entity extraction also identifies exceptions. Here again, we can see that the distributions of exceptions is quite different from our expectation. What's convenient here is you can directly see these exception logs in our Slack without having to switch back to other log tools. Okay, the next one is detected from WebSphere logs. The actual count of the log level is significantly different from the expected one. So checking the corresponding raw logs, looks like some LDAP failure is happening. This LDAP failure caused some specific error message ID or log level being raised in WebSphere logs. Again, the SRE doesn't have to go dig them out as we have automatically surfaced them. Let's see what we have in the next one. We see an alert raised from a component in the QOTD application. Here we see this log pattern with unexpectedly high frequency than was considered as normal, and it's being detected by our natural language log anomaly detection model. This is a case where the SRE would not have been able to figure out that while they're seeing the known logs, the frequency or distribution of them is abnormal. This hidden pattern helps them pinpoint which components to focus on. The last alert we're seeing here is also from the QOTD application, but from a different component. Looks like we see some unexpected templates or log patterns. This means we're getting some logs which never seen when the system was running normally, but they start to appear when the problem happened. This is a type of information an SRE looks for when trying to pinpoint where to focus.